Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to apply for a trade license online. First, navigate to your local government's official online portal for business licenses. This is typically found under a business or services section. Next, you will need to register for a new user account. Ensure you use a valid email address and create a strong, secure password for your account. Once registered and logged in, carefully locate the specific section dedicated to trade license applications or general business permits. This initial step is crucial for a smooth application process. Before proceeding, gather all necessary documents. You will need identity proof, like an Aadhaar card or passport, and proof of your residential address. Also, prepare your business registration documents, which include your company's incorporation certificate and memorandum of association. Don't forget property ownership papers or your rental agreement for the business premises. Make sure all these documents are scanned clearly and saved in easily uploadable digital formats, such as PDF or JPEG, to avoid any delays during submission. Now it's time to fill out and submit your application. Carefully complete the online form, providing all required business details accurately. This includes your business name, type, and operational address. Next, upload all your prepared scanned documents to their respective designated sections on the portal. Before finalizing, take a moment to thoroughly review all the information you have entered to prevent any errors. Finally, proceed to pay the application fee using one of the accepted online payment methods, such as net banking or a credit card. After submission, remember to note down your unique application reference number. This is vital for tracking. You should regularly check the online portal for updates on your application status, as processing times can vary, often taking between 7 to 15 business days. If the authorities request any additional information or clarification, respond promptly to avoid delays. Once your application is approved, you will be able to download and print your official trade license certificate directly from the portal, completing the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.